क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि हम अपनी कीमत कैसे आंकते हैं? सोशल मीडिया पर कितने लाइक्स मिले, कितने लोग कमेंट करते हैं, कितने लोग हमारे अचीवमेंट्स को नोटिस करते हैं? क्या यही हमारी सच्ची कीमत है या फिर कुछ और है, कुछ अंदर का जो हम अक्सर भूल जाते हैं या कभी पहचानते ही नहीं? नमस्ते, मैं आरजे ऋतु रॉय, आपकी होस्ट और दोस्त, लेकर आई हूं आज जिंदगी से का एक बहुत ही स्पेशल एपिसोड। आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे टॉपिक पर जो ऑलमोस्ट हर इंसान को अफेक्ट करता है, द हिडन मिरर, रीडिस्कवरिंग योर वर्थ इन अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ कॉन्स्टेंट कंपैरिजन। आज के डिजिटल दौर में हर पल कंपैरिजन होता रहता है। इंस्टाग्राम पर वो परफेक्ट वैकेशन फोटोज, फेसबुक पर वो परफेक्ट फैमिली मोमेंट्स, लिंक्डइन पर वो परफेक्ट कैरियर अचीवमेंट्स। हर जगह हमें लगता है कि कोई हमसे बेटर है, कोई हमसे आगे है, और इस कंपैरिजन में हम अपनी सच्ची कीमत, अपनी ट्रू सेल्फ वर्थ भूल जाते हैं। मैं आपको एक छोटी सी कहानी सुनाना चाहती हूँ। एक यंग प्रोफेशनल थी, मेघा, करियर में सक्सेसफुल, स्मार्ट, डेडिकेटेड, पर सोशल मीडिया पर हर पोस्ट के बाद वो लाइक्स काउंट करती है, हर कमेंट को वो एनालाइज करती है और हर रिएक्शन पर ओवरथिंक करती है। एक दिन उसने मुझसे कहा, ऋतु, पता नहीं क्यों मुझे लगता है मैं काफी नहीं हूं, मेरे अचीवमेंट्स भी काफी नहीं है, मुझे लगता है मैं काफी नहीं। इतनी अजीब बात है ना। एक सक्सेसफुल इंसान भी अपने आप को नॉट इनफ समझता है। क्यों? क्योंकि कंपैरिजन की ऐसी दुनिया में हम कभी सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो पाते, कभी कंटेंट नहीं होते, क्योंकि हमेशा कोई ना कोई दिखता है जो हमसे बेटर लग रहा है। लेकिन आज मैं आपको एक ऐसी शक्ति से मिलवाना चाहती हूँ जिनकी जिंदगी का मिशन ही है लोगों को उनकी सच्ची कीमत दिखाना, उनकी ट्रू पोटेंशियल को अनकवर करना, उन्हें सिखाना कि सेल्फ वर्थ बाहर से नहीं, अंदर से आती है। आज हमारे साथ है ललिता रविशंकर जी, एक एक्सपीरियंस्ड लाइफ कोच। लाइफ कोच तो हर किसी को चाहिए होता है, वैसे मैं भी लाइफ कोच हूँ, लेकिन मुझे खुद भी कभी कभी लाइफ कोच की जरूरत पड़ती है, क्योंकि जब हमारी थिंकिंग रुक जाती है तब हमें कोई गाइड करने वाला चाहिए होता है। और ललिता जी जो है, उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ डेडिकेट की है लोगों को उनकी पोटेंशियल को रियलाइज करवाने में। ललिता जी 57 इयर्स के विजडम के साथ हमारे साथ शेयर करेंगी कैसे हम अपनी ट्रू सेल्फ वर्थ को पहचान सकते हैं और एक ब्लीसफुल लाइफ जी सकते हैं, कंपैरिजन और वैलिडेशन के प्रेशर से मुक्त। मेरे प्यारे लिसनर्स, आज की ये एपिसोड कुछ खास है क्योंकि ललिता जी इंग्लिश में ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल है, इसलिए हमारी आज की कन्वर्सेशन इंग्लिश में होगी। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आप सभी को हमारी ये स्पेशल बातचीत समझ में आएगी और आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा। सो विदाउट फर्दर डिले, लेट मी वेलकम टू अवर शो a woman of wisdom and warmth, someone who helps people recognize their self-worth and live a blissful life. Lalita Ravishankar ji, welcome to जिंदगी से। आपका हमारे पॉडकास्ट में स्वागत है। सबसे पहले, first of all, I would like to ask you the question that you have dedicated yourself to helping people discover their self-worth. What initially drew you to this particular focus in your coaching journey?
Namaskar. Mm, I realized that many people struggle with self doubt and low self esteem, which holds them back from reaching their full potential. I wanted to help them see their true value, break limiting beliefs, and build confidence so they can have a fulfilling life. Seeing people transform and embrace with their worth is what drives me.
Wow, that is so lovely. So, secondly, I would like to ask that in today's world where social media constantly encourages comparison, what do you believe is the best misconception people have about self worth?
Um, the biggest misconception is that self worth is based on external validation, means
Right,
likes, followers, success, or appearance. True self worth comes from within. It's about recognizing your inherent value, not measuring yourself against others. Social media highlights the best moments, not the full reality. So, comparison is unfair and unrealistic.
very true. So, could you share a simple practice that our listeners could begin today to start recognizing that true value beyond societal comparison?
Yeah, I can. A simple practice is daily self affirmations. Every morning, stand in front of a mirror and say three positive things about yourself, not based on achievements or appearance, but on who you are. For example, I am kind, I am resilient, or I am worthy just as I am. Over time, this helps shift your focus from external value to your true inner value.
Right. So lovely. So, would you mind sharing a transformative moment from your own life where you had to rediscover your self worth? What did that journey teach you?
One transformative moment was when I faced a major setback that made me question my abilities and worth. I had tied my value to external success, and when things didn't go as planned, I felt lost. Through deep reflection, self compassion, and surrounding myself with supportive people, I realized that my worth was not based on achievements but on who I am at my core. That journey taught me that self worth is constant. It doesn't diminish because of failure or go because of success. It's something we must recognize and nurture from within.
Very true. That is so beautifully said. So, how do you think cultural expectation, especially in Indian society, affect our ability to recognize our true potential? And how can we navigate these pressures?
Cultural expectations in Indian society often push people toward traditional career paths and life choices, making it hard to explore their own potential. The pressure to meet family and social standards can limit personal growth. If you want to come out of these pressures, you should do something. That is, first of all, you should know yourself. Take time to understand what you truly want.
Right.
Secondly, communicate with positive people means talk openly with family about your goals. Then set boundaries. Learn to say no to paths that don't align with your dreams. Find support, seek mentors or like minded people who encourage you. Blend
Right.
tradition and passion. Find a way to respect cultural values while following your own path. Balancing social expectations with personal dreams takes time, but staying true to yourself is the key to the real success.
That is such a lovely advice. So, at your age and with all that wisdom, what is one piece of knowledge about self worth that you wish you had understood in your 30s or 40s?
Well, your worth does not come from your job, success, or what others think of you. It comes from within. In my 30s and 40s, it is easy to seek approval from society. But true self worth means knowing you're enough just as you are. When you stop looking for validation outside and start believing in yourself, you feel free to live life in your own way.
Very true. So, for someone listening who feels they are lost touch with their own value, perhaps sacrificing it for family or career, what would be your guidance to help them begin reconnecting with themselves?
In that case, if you lost touch with your value from giving too much to the family or work, I can give you some methods to start reconnecting with yourself. First of all, take a break. Spend some quiet time alone and think about what made you happy in the past. What did you enjoy doing? Second, set small boundaries. It's okay to say no sometimes. Make space for yourself by setting small limits with family or work. And then find your patience again. Do something you love, even if it is just for a little while, whether it is a hobby or something to get yourself relaxed. Then, the major thing, be kind to yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself. It's normal to get lost in life, but it is never too late to find your way back. Talk to someone, share how you're feeling with a friend or someone who can support you. Take baby steps, make small changes to get you back from the lost.
Great. So, what's the most beautiful transformation you yourself have witnessed when someone finally embraces their true self worth and potential?
The most beautiful transformation I have seen is when someone stops seeking approval from others and realizes they are enough just as they are. I have watched people go from feeling lost and overburdened to standing tall in their own truth. They start saying no to what drains them and yes to what truly makes them happy. Their
Right.
confidence grows, their energy shifts, and they finally feel at peace. The best part, they don't change by doing more, they change by simply being more true to themselves. And that is when they truly shine.
Right. Very true. That is so lovely. Lalita ji, thank you so much for sharing your profound insights with our listeners today. Your wisdom truly illuminates the path for many who are seeking to rediscover their worth. And today, I am also sharing after this episode, you'll see the screen where you can directly contact Lalita ji and how you can get your clarity call and talk to Lalita ji further if you want to know more. So, thank you so much again, Lalita ji. एंड
Thank
दोस्तों,
you.
आज हमने ललिता जी से सेल्फ वर्थ और अपनी सच्ची पोटेंशियल को पहचानने के बारे में बहुत कुछ सीखा। उम्मीद है कि आपको ये स्पेशल एपिसोड पसंद आया होगा। याद रखिए, दुनिया की नजर में नहीं, अपनी नजर में अपनी कीमत पहचानिए। तो चलते हैं, मिलेंगे अगले एपिसोड में। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए, अपने आप को वैल्यू दीजिए, और हाँ, याद रखिए, आप जितना सोचते हैं उससे कहीं ज्यादा कीमती हैं। Lots of love and hope. RJ Ritu Roy signing off. Thank you so much, Lalita ji, for being there and for advising and guiding all our listeners and also me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you.
माना कि मुश्किल है सफर पर सुनो मुसाफिर, हो कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल आएगी ना फिर। कदम कदम मिलाए जा, गगन गगन झुकाए जा, रख हौसला कर फिर।